so now we're on to our 6th and final craft, and that is the radio flyer sled. And your kit will come again in a bag like this. And when you open your kit, you're gonna find a piece that is kind of odd looking like this. And then you're gonna have 4 short red or green popsicle sticks, and you'll have a little decorated figure. Each one will be different, so I can't tell you exactly which one it's going to be. And then there's 2 other long popsicle sticks. These are your runners for your sleigh. So what you're going to do to start out is you're going to need 3 of the 4, and you're going to lay them down with the painted side down. And put them all 3 together like that, okay? And then you're gonna take this odd piece and you're gonna put the glue on that. And this is gonna connect those 3 together. It's the cross member. And you're gonna put it on a diagonal so that you can get your runners in there. So it's gonna look like this. All right. Once you have those in place, you can take your runners then, and you're going to want to set it up so that when you put these together, you need a little bit of space on the bottom, like so. Okay. So you're going to run a bead of glue along here. This is when this parchment comes in handy because it'll peel off of it and hold it into place. So you're going to want to put it like that, and you'll put both the runners on. So that's the next thing we're going to do, and I'm just going to kind of run a bead right along the side here, like that. And then we can take this, put it in place, and let it set up. And then we'll do that again on this side. It's flickering. All right, so you've run that bead and you've got your 2 runners in place, and look how nice it comes right off of the parchment paper. Okay, now you can decorate your this portion of the sleigh. This one I used, I don't even know what that one is. It's a snowman, and we put Happy Holidays on that one. But this one, I'm going to put my name and the year. So you can personalize your sleigh any way you want. So I'm going to put Faith. So, if you want to personalize it for the year so you can remember what year you made the ornament, you could do it that way. Or you can put Merry Christmas on there, however you want to do it. Again, it's your ornament. This particular one I'm going to decorate with a Santa holding his little sack. And we're going to just stick him in the corner, like so. There's him on there with my name. And then we just have to put the cross member for the sleigh. So you're gonna, easier just to put it on the runners here. Just put a little bit of glue here and then go across and put some there. And this goes up across the top. And there you have it. How adorable is that? So And then there'll be a ribbon or a piece of string with a loop on it that you can glue on right here in the center. And then you'll be able to hang it on your tree, just like this one. Oh, we're gonna take that one, and we'll hang it right here. And there you go. Kit number 6. How adorable is that?